Today we're going to open 3 packs of the 1990 Bowman Baseball cards. See who we get here. Pack number 1. Ooh, don't chew that gum. This is a nice card. Not sure who it is, but John Smoltz. Kind of stuck together, aren't they? Dave Parker. Lloyd Mosby. Jack Clark. Frank Tanana. I think he's in the Hall of Fame. Jesse Barfield. Wade Boggs. I know he's in the Hall of Fame. Bag number 2. 14 cards and a pack of gum, and a piece of gum, it says. Boy, that gum's old stuff. Don't chew it. Nice drawing there. Sorrento. Felix Jose. Manny Lee. Mark Lemke. And pack number 3. Swindell, Mike Henneman, Junior Felix. Corey Snyder. There you have them. Okay, here's some of the better cards we pulled out of these 3 packs. If you think we missed any, leave us a comment and let us know. Glad to hear it. We have a lot more of these coming, all different sports. Please like and subscribe, stay with us, and we'll get them up here as we can. Okay, we'll see you next time.